Hey, what's going on? It's Tsai here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can show your YouTube video on top of Google. So be sure before you do that, you want to make sure your page is SEO optimized. So which means you have your keyword on your title, on your descriptions, and also on your tag, right? So you want to make sure the page is already SEO optimized, right? Then you want to do some link building. So in order for Google to rank your video on Google, you need to send them high authority backlinks. So you can go to Fiverr to buy some backlinks, right? So a way you can do about that is you can type in PBN so that it will show you some backlinks. Now, I don't do this often because sometimes the quality of PBN may not be so good. But because YouTube is a high authority site, it's safe for you to build PBN link, right? So you can buy some backlink, or you can do what we call a YouTube video embed, right? So they will embed your YouTube video on different sites. And also, if you have a blog, then you can go and embed your video on your blog, and you can even write a blog post so that you can get more traffic to either your blog or your video. So that's how you can get ranked on Google. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.